Hi, that we continue the section 6.c, equal principal repayments. So the question B, determine the present price of this loan to yield 4% annual effective interest. So, okay, so remember that we consider this loan. So the original principal is $1,000 and it will be repaid by 10 years. And the payment schedule is this. So basically that we have these 10 payments and the present value is 1,000 if 6%, but consider, okay, so this loan is available and the bank just wants to buy out this loan at a certain price, they're assuming the 4% yield. So this loan was originally 6%, but if the interest rate gets to 4%, then the present value is higher, right? So maybe if the interest becomes 4%, the bank can buy this loan at the higher price than was $1,000. So what's the price? So that is the question. Okay, so determine the present price of this loan, that is the cash inflow of RT, to yield the 4% the annual effective interest. So basically the present value is the decreasing annuity of 4%, decreasing annuity at the 4% the annual effective interest. So this is the, okay, so the decreasing annuity. So this is, yeah, PV is the decreasing annuity. With the first payment $160 and the last payment is the $106. So decreasing annuity of, okay, so 160, 154, and finally 106. So this is the decreasing annuity with the first payment equal to 160 and the increment of -6. So that means that this is equal to 160 times the A right angle 10 at 4% minus, okay, so minus 6 times the 10 right angle 10 at 4% minus the n, so 10 times the v to the power n, so that is the 1.04 to the power -10. So v is 1.04 inverse. So over I, so 0.04. Yep. And the A 10 at 4%. So this is the payment. So the N is 10 and the I is 4% and the payment amount is 160. Then we can calculate the present value by calculator. And you can get this is equal to 160 times 8.1109. And minus this amount, but the A right angle 10 has already been calculated. So just plug in numbers and this becomes 203.29. So this is equal to the $1,094.46. So this is the answer. So interest rate gets 6% to 4%. So that means the even if the bank buy out the loan at the more than $1,000, still the bank can yield the 4%. So the price should be higher. If interest rate goes up, then the present value should be lower. Right. So this can be interpreted in this way. So if the bank, okay, so the interest rate was originally 6%. Okay, so basically bank charged the 6% interest. Then after that, the interest rate goes down to 4%. then basically the bank can make a profit. Right? So bank basically the lend a loan at 6%, but the suddenly interest rate becomes 4%. So that means the bank gets some profit. Right? So they can charge the higher interest. So the bank should get some profit, and that profit amount, the profit amount is the $94.46. So that's why if interest goes down, then bank makes a profit. So that means the loan value, present value of the loan gets higher. If interest gets higher, then bank make a loss. So the present value is lower than the original loan.